that time of year again. We're live with the third annual SIOP machine learning competition. I'm Nick Koenig.
And I'm Isaac Thompson.
We're principal data scientists with Modern Hire.
And we are proud to bring you this year's competition. So why a machine learning competition? Anybody who's played with AI has realized that one of the key characteristics is the rapid rate of change. In a few years, AI will be fundamentally different than it is today. So the question for our field moves from what method is best to how can we rapidly prototype and test these new innovations.
So what's this year's SIOP machine learning competition about? With recent headlines about the negative implications of AI and HR, we thought it would be a great opportunity to bring the community together to solve one of the most common problems in our industry, namely fair and accurate hiring decisions. We wanted to stress the importance of fairness in developing hiring algorithms, so we're making it a critical factor in the competition rankings this year.
SIOP's competition is unique in that the entire community works together to solve its toughest problems. We create an open competition with open registration. That means anybody from computer science, engineering, or psychology can participate. Open data so that the data is available to everybody with open solutions. This means that all the solutions will be made in open source language. So the end of this competition will result in tools that anybody can take and use. We are using Eval AI to rank all submissions. It is a portal put together by Georgia Tech. You can see the public leaderboard as teams submit their best solutions.
What's the data look like? The data set is extremely large by traditional IO standards. We have data on roughly 50,000 employees from a Fortune 100 company, each of which has assessment responses and retention data. And for 13,000 of those 50,000 individuals, we also have performance data. Given the data, what's the problem we're solving? Hiring the right candidate can be difficult for a variety of reasons. This year's competition will involve building an algorithm to determine who to hire while trying to balance these multiple criteria.
Even if you're new to machine learning, get involved. Last year, 2/3 of participants, this was their first ever machine learning competition.
Come join us in making AI fair at scale and join this year's SIOP machine learning competition.
Registration will be open until the end of the competition. So sign up now and join over 100 teams in making AI more fair.